A cryptocurrency launchpad is a platform that raises funds for new crypto projects by allowing users buy tokens before they're publicly released. Binance Launchpad helps quality projects fundraise, while also allowing crypto users and investors to generate great returns. But how exactly does it work? Before Binance Launchpad, blockchain projects staged their own initial coin offerings to raise crypto funds for their own growth and development. Results, however, varied under this old system, where for every successful launch, there was almost an equal number of failed and fraudulent ones. This left crypto users pretty much on their own to figure out how to avoid failed or underperforming projects. If you haven't already done so, do please take a moment to subscribe to my channel so you can get similar content as soon as I upload them to help you on your trading journey. I would also appreciate a like. Binance pioneered the initial exchange offering, the IEO, through its introduction of Binance Launchpad, the exclusive token launch platform for new blockchain projects. The introduction of IEOs on Binance Launchpad spurred a new paradigm under which projects can raise funds and users can support these projects in a more convenient and safer way. Right now, the total value of those tokens stand at about $725 million, which equates to an 11.5x growth in value. To get started on Launchpad, you need to open an account on Binance Exchange. Using my referral link in the description box below is actually a good way to avoid being subject to phishing scams. Secondly, you need to submit your ID card for verification purposes. In order to participate in the projects that will be sold on Launchpad, you need to have BNB in your account. In general, the more BNB you hold, the greater will be the allocation of tokens that you will receive. Confirm the token purchase agreement that appears on the Launchpad page, and after that, you should lock up as much of your BNB balance that you want to use to receive your allocation. Just some of the benefits of using Binance Launchpad are as follows. Having the benefits of launching tokens within a trusted platform, protections for both users and projects alike, fast-track growth for deserving crypto projects, equitable distribution of initial tokens offered, and the potential long-term success for both projects and crypto holders. Binance allocates tokens to registered users using a lottery system based on Binance coins you hold in your Binance account. Once a new IEO is announced, a snapshot of BNB holding is taken over a period of about 7 to 30 days. Then the average balance of BNB is calculated, For every 50 BNB, you will be granted 1 lottery ticket. The maximum tickets allowed per account is 10. The minimum BNB holding necessary to participate in the allocation is 0.1. Immediately following the BNB counting days, you will need to confirm your number of tickets using the Claim Tickets button that will appear for 24 hours following the counting period. Next, the lottery will take place, and the winning tickets will automatically participate in the IEO in exchange for BNBs. Binance Launchpad's first supported projects for 2019 were BitTorrent and Fetch. And following is a list of all previous Launchpad projects. Binance has done a tremendous job of creating and contributing to one of the biggest brands in crypto. Not only is Binance offering an exchange to buy cryptocurrency, it actually goes a step further by helping the development of successful crypto startups. Judging by ROI, return on investment, projects that have been released on Binance Launchpad are now valued at millions of dollars. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button, comment below, because I do use your comments to better inform me of what other content to create. Share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, but most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And I'll meet you in the next video.